everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer data from your old Samsung device to the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. You can also use this method to transfer data from any Android phone or iPhone. We'll go through two easy methods, step by step. Method 1. Using settings during device setup. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series phone. Scroll down and tap Accounts and Backup. Here you will see an option called Transfer Data from Device Setup. Tap on it. Now you'll see two options: Send from this phone, Receive on this phone. Since this is your new phone, select Receive Data. Next, choose the type of device you're transferring from: Galaxy or Android, iPhone or iPad. Select the appropriate option. Step 2. Open Samsung Smart Switch on your old phone. Now go to your old device. Open the Samsung Smart Switch app. If you don't see it, you can download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is open, select Send Data. On your new Samsung S26 phone, keep Receive Data selected. Step 3. Connect the devices. You now have two ways to connect the phones: wireless connection, USB-C to USB-C cable. If you want the fastest transfer, I recommend using the USB-C cable. Connect both phones using the USB-C to USB-C cable. On your new phone, you'll see a pop-up that says, "Connect to Galaxy to transfer your data." Tap Connect. Step 4. Select Data. You'll see a list of data you can transfer, such as apps, contacts, messages, photos and videos, call history, accounts, settings. You can either select everything or choose Custom Data. Once you select the data you want, tap Next. Finally, tap Transfer at the bottom of the screen. Your data will now start transferring from the old device to your new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. That's it. Once the transfer is complete, all your important data will be available on your new phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Samsung Galaxy S26 tips on the